Do you want to know how you can sign up for Jasper AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Jasper AI. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Jasper AI sign up, and then click on this, which is called Jasper AI. Or you can also click on this link, which will lead you to the same page, and you can sign up to your Jasper AI quite easily. So guys, go ahead and click on one of those and click on start free trial, which is over here. It will lead you to this portal, which is the official sign up portal. Go ahead and click on select plan, which is over here. Let's select this one. After you clicked on this, you can see that you must now go to your Stripe checkout and write down your payment details. So go ahead and write down your email address with which you will be registered to your Jasper AI. Then write down your card information, such as your card number, which is over here. You can choose this over here. You can write down your card number, your expiration date on your card, CVC number on the back of your card, your cardholder name, country of reason. Click on securely save my information for one-click checkout, write down your phone number, and then click start free trial. This way you can sign up for Jasper and then you can pay for its account or plan as well. So guys, this is how you sign up for jasper.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.